Hello friends, in my last video I had covered the details on AtmaKaraka planet and it being the indicator of self and a purpose of life. And today I will talk about Darakaraka planet, which describes the characteristics of person you will marry. What is Darakaraka planet? Darakaraka or DK is the planet which gets the lowest degree in the horoscope. As I mentioned, it represents our spouse in our charts. The house and sign your DK planet is placed will reflect the kind of person you will marry and his or her nature. Now let's see what qualities will your partner possess in case of different planets being your Darakaraka. If Sun is your DK planet, your spouse will have good leadership qualities. He will be confident and high self-respect will be there. As all of you would know, Sun indicates status, ego and position. So, if Sun is the Darakaraka planet, it will indicate that you have a desire for a partner which has high social status and position. When Moon has the lowest degree in your birth chart and becomes the Darakaraka, your life partner will be emotional, caring, home-loving and soft-hearted. They will be very flexible. If Saturn or Rahu afflicts this Moon, it will give a selfish kind of tendency to the native. But overall, your partner will be very adaptive. If Mars becomes your Darakaraka planet, your spouse will be high-headed, strong, and of competitive nature. He or she will always be ready to pick up a fight. If Mars is afflicted by planets like Saturn, the dark side of Mars will be surfaced, like the person will like fighting, abusing, etc. But if it is aspected by its friendly planets like Jupiter or Moon, it will shower courage and dynamism in his work. Believe you me, you will be happy to have him as your spouse. If Mercury becomes the Darakaraka planet, it will indicate a very talkative, friendly and fun-loving spouse. Mercury is the planet of youthful energy. So Darakaraka Mercury will make your spouse very energetic and enthusiastic. But this is not good from a loyalty perspective. When you have Mercury as your DK planet, it can make your partner very fickle-minded. He or she will not make commitment easily. There will always be a tendency to try something new. And this tendency can sometimes drag them into relationship outside marriage. But when Jupiter aspects Mercury, this tendency is controlled to a large extent. When Venus becomes your DK planet, the spouse will be very romantic, artistic, and refined in nature. He or she will be very much interested in his appearance, looks, and beauty. This indicates that your life partner will be very easygoing and friendly. When Jupiter has the lowest degree in your birth chart, the spouse will be very loyal, religious, optimistic, and mature. He will be of high status and character. You will be very fortunate to have him as your partner. When Saturn becomes the Darakaraka planet, you will get a very serious kind of an older partner who is very committed in relationships. It means that your partner will have qualities of Saturn. While they are least romantic, but they are very loyal to their partners. Saturn is the planet of maturity and practicality. So here you can expect your partner to be very grounded, humble, and practical. But this does not mean that you will always get an older spouse or a life partner. But he may be very mature, devoted, and a sincere partner. Of course, there are other parameters that we need to check for analyzing the kind of spouse we will get, like the seventh house, planets in the seventh house lord, and the Navam's chart. This composite approach can get a lot of information about life partner in astrology. Friends, hope you've liked the topic. If you have further questions, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.